going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlights on a Volvo XC60. This happens to be a 2016 model, but it's probably the same for about the possibly 14, 15, 16, 17. The first thing you want to do when you lift up your hood, you'll see those little pull things like that. You'll have two of them. You just want to pull up on it, and once you pull up, you'll see it come out like that. Then pull up on your other one like that. And once you do that, you'll be able to basically slide out your whole headlight assembly. Kind of wiggle it around some, and once it comes out like that, now you'll be able to look up underneath here, and what you'll see is you'll have some screws, right? It look like some star bit screws that's inside of here. And once you take those star bit screws out there, you'll be able to get to your basically headlight to change it out. So you can see right here, you'll have one right here, one over here, you'll have one down there, and one over here. And once you take those out, this whole plastic covering will come off, and then you'll be able to actually change out your headlight on this Volvo XC60. Then once you get done with that, all you got to do is put it back in. But say also you want to change out the whole headlight assembly. Now all you got to do is disconnect your electrical harness over here that's going to it, and once you take that off, then you'll be able to remove this whole assembly right here, just in case it got damaged or you want to change it out with a different type of assembly. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would remove your headlights from a Volvo XC60. And once again, when you want to put it back in, you're just going to slide it back in like that. And once you get it back in, you just want to take those clips that you pulled out. You want to put the long one, it's going to go over here, press it down, and then you put your short one right here and press it down. Make sure it's in nice and tight, and you'll pretty much be done. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your headlights on a Volvo XC60. Thanks. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.